Yay!
Can't read it. It's in and out.
Jealous.
What's the in and out theme music?
Are we gonna go inside or are we going through the drive-thru?
Drive-thru?
Okay.
Should I probably get my food faster? I'm so hungry. Are you still filming our journey to In and Out?
Yes.
Oh my god, please film the cashier person.
Oh, am I gonna make the corner?
Yeah. Oh, close.
Rub the tire.
Ooh, rough.
Oh, we're gonna order here.
Yeah.
Let's see, lots of choices. Pick one.
Hi, how are you tonight?
Good, thanks.
What can I get for you?
Can I get a double-double?
Would you like onions on the burger?
No onions.
Would you like fries and a drink with it?
Yes. Medium.
I'm sorry?
Yeah, actually large fries and large drink.
We only have one size fry, is that alright?
Oh yeah, that's fine.
And what kind of large drink would you like?
Pepsi. Coke.
Is Coke okay?
Yeah, Coke. I can't read the sign. What do you guys want?
It's giant.
A number 2?
Would you like onions on that burger?
No.
And no tomato.
And no tomato.
And a drink for that?
A Coke.
I want a number one with no onions
And
and
another number 1 with no onions and Dr. Pepper.
Alright, will that be all for you?
Wait, okay, change that number
Alright,
to
so I got 2 number 1s, 1 with onions, 1 without. Large Coke and with Dr. Pepper for that. Number 2, no onion, no tomato with a medium Coke.
Yeah, can I actually change the number 2 to number 1? Sorry.
So you have 3 double doubles, 1 with onions, 1 without, 1 no onion, no tomato.
Yes.
Offer in the car tonight?
Yep.
Total comes to $18.59 at the first window.
Thank you.
Woo!